Hi, friends. I wanted to share a sort of experiment that we're doing that I guess this is like technically the third year in the experiment, but these are garlic that we planted as single cloves from bulbs in this bed 2 years ago, and we basically have just ignored them. We let them divide in space, so that's why they're in clumps. These are all the cloves from the bulb that grew, I guess, 2 years ago, and then more cloves from that. Obviously, some cloves do rot, and so you don't get like 100% return on your garlics, and they're small. So when we've been pulling them up here, but when we pull them up, the bulb is quite small, truly, maybe half my finger width for most of them, and some are even smaller than that. But then we're going to take these and transplant them. Let's take a little walk to my garlic bed. And transplanting them over into this garlic bed. So you can see the garlics that I planted normally as individual cloves. They're also a lot of those are from a larger variety of garlic than this one. This is a purple garlic that's a little smaller. But basically the experiment is to see if these essentially started garlic babies, I don't know, will now make a decent sized bulb now that they'll have better spacing and better access to their nutrients with less competition, given that, this is a fairly well weeded bed now, and I'm going to mulch these guys. So yeah, that's the experiment. And I'm excited to see how it turns out. So I just wanted to share that and, encourage you to also think about your plants and think about ways to limit the workload for yourself. The reason these got transplanted today is it rained heavily the last couple of days and the ground is moist, so it's easy to dig. So we took advantage of soft soil to be able to put these guys in. And because it's already wet, I'm not going to have to water them in either. It's going to rain again soon. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And I hope you enjoy. Bye now.